You're in Jeddah, Ibrahim. Okay. Just fun, okay? Just positive, okay? Just always positive, okay? I'm happy. Happy person, okay? I'm not negative person. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Samar. I like you so much, Samar. Yes. Muhammad Radi. Kefik. Fayaz. Blandi. Ruben, Keen, love you all. What is the name of a country? Jeddah. Jeddah. Sheikh, you are so beautiful. Sukran, sukran, sukran. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kan, Jan, hello Jan. Ribalhal, very nice. Kamal, Kamal, sukran, nice. Love you from Ayas. Ayas, I love you too. Ayas, I'm now in Jeddah. Ibrahim Shah, mashallah. Aliyah. don't comment very bad, baka ma-restrict ako, ha. I don't want to restrict. Last night, today I cannot reply to you to all because nasa-restrict po ako. Very nice, Kamal, thank you so much, very beautiful. Babu, sukran Babu. Sheikh, Fahad Muhammad, how you Habibi girl? Habibi, kullu Habibi, kullu Habib Fatu, mashallah, 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 mashallah. Okay, I'm so happy because my followers is become more and more in TikTok, okay, and Snapchat, okay. Wallah, I cannot believe my Snapchat to become up. My videos is become a famous in Snapchat. I coming 1 million is Snapchat in Spotlight. Do you know Spotlight is not easy, and it's not to go in Spotlights, and you have a views coming. Thank you so much, Nias, for the stars. Thank you so much, Habibi ko. And I'm so happy kasi po yung Spotlight ko aabot na yung views